You walk into the electronics store. Your laptop is still alive. It just heats up a bit and the fan sounds like a tractor, but you talk yourself into it. This is for work, for projects, for the future. In the end, you drop 150,000 rubles on a new MacBook Pro with M3 Max. You walk out happy, feeling one step closer to. You get in the car, open the lid. Perfect screen, shining keyboard. Then your eyes fall on the old worn-out backpack. It looks like trash next to this beauty. It feels wrong. You buy a premium leather backpack. At home you place the laptop on the desk and realize the coaster leaves rings. The mouse pad is full of crumbs. You need a dock station. Old wired headphones are outdated. You get AirPods Max. Over the weekend, 1,500 turned into 6,000 and you didn't even notice. This isn't a character flaw. It's a chain reaction that has ruined more people than any economic crisis. It's called the Diderot Effect. Hi, I'm Leo Ditto, and on this channel we break down the invisible traps that make us spend more than we earn. Everyone thinks we buy because we need it. I'll show you. We buy because old things already demand new ones. Want to break the cycle? Smash that like button. And let's dive into the story of the man who lost everything because of one row. To understand why the brain won't let you stop, let's go back to France, 1765. Denis Diderot, famous philosopher, co-founder of the Encyclopedia, genius of the Enlightenment, but he had almost no money. Lived modestly, old clothes, worn rugs, creaky chair and a book-filled room. And he was happy. It was enough. Then, the twist. Catherine the Great learned of his poverty. She bought his entire library for a huge sum, $50,000 today, allowing him to keep the books. Diderot suddenly became rich. What did he do first? Treated himself. Bought a luxurious scarlet robe. Velvet, expensive, royal. Put it on. Looked in the mirror. Elegant, high status, gorgeous. But he sat down to work. Immediate discomfort. The robe shines, but the desk is scratched, ink-stained, rotting. The contrast hurts the eyes. Bought a new mahogany desk. Harmony restored. But the old rug looks like a floor rag. Buys a Damascus rug. Then, snowball. The rug forced new curtains. Curtains made the chair look like firewood. Then paintings, sculptures, mirrors. Month after month he perfected the room. In the end, broke again. Wrote the essay Regrets on Parting with My Old Dressing Gown. Famous line. I was master of my old robe, but became slave to the new one. This is the Diderot Effect. One new item triggers a spiral, where everything else starts feeling unworthy. Today is even stronger. Marketing hits with precision. Take the fitness spiral. Decided to get fit. Bought a smart bike for 10,000. Got home. In old gym clothes you don't look like the ad. Buy outfit. Shoes, watch, new identity. Premium athlete or classic. Bought an expensive car. Used to be Logan person, eating shawarma. Now BMW person. BMW person doesn't wear wrinkled jackets, doesn't go to budget hotels. The car becomes the anchor, sets the new baseline. The horror is that upgrades often mean downgrade in freedom. With a new white sofa you stop inviting friends with wine. Fear the dog. You become a museum curator, not a homeowner. A low-maintenance identity is the most profitable asset. While others build museums, you stack capital. There's nothing wrong with nice things, but know the game. Diderot showed. One purchase breaks the picture. Don't become a slave to the robe. Be the master of your life. Like, subscribe, write your spiral in the comments. Don't buy the robe.